अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। देखिए ये है दुरुsul lughah al-arabiyya li ghayri नातिकीन बिहा, ठीक है, फॉर नॉन अरबिक स्पीकर। दिस बुक इज डिजाइन, ओके, सो दिस इज द नंबर 1, part number 1. So I will solve this. I'll show you how to solve this exercise. Okay, so let's get started. First, this is ad-dars, means lesson. Al-awwal, first lesson. Ad-dars is singular and plural is durus, meaning is lesson. Okay, so al-awwal is number name. Awwal means first. Okay, so let's check. So this is for practice. This is exercise of haza. You know, haza is used for in. Okay, this is haza, and haza is used for pointing out, for demonstrating the things. Okay, for example, as you see, haza bait, haza masjid, haza bab. Okay, and one thing you should remember. So haza is used only for singular near, for singular noun. Okay, for near. Okay, if someone is very near, close to you, so you will point with this haza. Okay, and this is, remember, for singular. And one thing I should write, haza is singular masculine. Okay, so while making this sentence, you always remember this part of, this is haza subject, this haza bait is predicate. Okay, so this is the complete sentence, subject and predicate. So you will always remember this, both parts of the sentence means subject and predicate must have similar gender and similar number. Okay, haza is used either here male. Why? Because this is bait female and bait is male. Okay, so you will use this haza according to the gender of the noun. Okay, so remember, haza is singular masculine noun for near. Okay, hada bait, this is a house. Hada masjid, this is a masjid. Hada bab, this is a house. Bab is door. Okay, next page, hada kitab, this is a book. Hada qalam, this is a pen. Hada miftah, this is a key, as you see in this picture. So all these are near and these are singular, okay, male word, so we use this haza. Okay, you always remember haza is used for singular male near object. Okay, hada maktab, this is a table. Hada sarir, this is a sarir means bed. Okay, hada kursi, this is a chair. Okay, so this was all about haza. Okay, now asking questions using this haza. You see, this is ma. Okay, ma means what? Ma means what? Okay, so if you are asking about a specific thing, so you will ask using this ma hada. Ma haza, what is this? As you see in this picture, this is a house. Okay, ma haza, what is this? Hada bait, this is a house. Okay, so now you are again making a double interrogative sentence. Okay, ahada bait, is this a house? Okay, number 1 sentence was ma hada, what is this? Okay, number 2, he is asking about confirmation, whether it is house or something else. So you will answer a is for interrogative. Hada bait, is this a house? Yes. Naam, yes, it is a house, so you will use naam. Okay, naam hada bait, yes, this is a house. Okay, next, number 2, ma hada, what is this? Pointing to this. Okay, hada qameez, this is a shirt. Next is hada sarir, is this a chair? So yes, it is. So hada sarir, no, sarir meaning is bed. Okay, as I told you, sarir meaning is bed. As you see, this is a bed. Okay, so here this is a chair, not a bed, so the answer is not. La hada kursiyu. First you will negate about this object. This is not a sarir, this is not a bed, this is a chair. So hada kursiyu. Next, hada miftah, is this a key? So this is not a key, this is a pen. So we'll answer la. Hada qalam, no, this is a pen. Okay, now you know this is a star. Ma hada, what is this? Hada najmun, this is star. Najm means star. Okay, so now based on this you will do this exercise. So exercise is the very important. It is one of the most aspect of learning Arabic language. Okay, so ma hada, what is this? You see in this picture, this is a key. So you will say, write the answer as you see in this picture. So my objective for making this video is only to show you how to solve this exercise. So ma hada, what is this? You see this is a key. So you will answer in the text form. You will write here hada miftah. Okay, this is a key. Ma hada, what is this? This is a book. So you will say hada kitab. Okay, so you see hada is singular masculine noun for near. Okay, ma hada, what is this? So as you see in this picture, this is a pen. So you will say hada qalam, this is a pen. Ma hada, what is this? You see this is a, I think, cupboard. Okay, or this is a gate. So you will answer hada bab, this is a gate. Ma hada, what is this? You see ma hada, what is this? Pointing to this, this is a house. So you will answer hada bait. Okay, this is a house. Next is ma hada, what is this? As you see, this is a chair. So you will say hada kursiyun, this is a chair. Okay, now exercise number 2. This you see hada bait. I told you this is for interrogative. Okay, hada means this, bait house. Hada bait, is this a house? So yes, it is not a house, this is a mosque, this is a masjid. So you will answer first, you will negate it la. Okay, and then you will say the answer whatever it is. Hada masjid. Okay, this is how you will solve these all. Hada miftah, is this a key? Key, miftah meaning is key. So you see this is a pen. So you will say first you will negate it la, and then you will answer whatever it is. Okay, you will say la and hada qalamun. Okay, number 2, hada qamis, is the shirt. So yes, it is. So you will say naam hada qamis. Qamis. Hada najm, is this a star? So you will say naam, yes, naam hada najm, yes, it is a star. Okay, so exercise number 3 you will do iqra waqtu. You will write this, okay, in your notebook, and also you will write its meaning in English. Hada maktab, this is a table or ticket. Hada masjid, this is a masjid. Hada qalam, this is a pen. Hada sarir, this is a bed. Ma hada, what is this? Okay, hada kursiyun, this is a chair. You will write meaning of all these sentences. Man hada, you see. Okay, previously we learned about ma. Okay, and I told you ma meaning is what. Okay, now this is man. Man means who. Okay, who. So ma and man, as it is clear with the meaning of it. Okay, ma means what. It is used for object, non-living thing, and man, who, it is used for living thing. As you see here, all these are men. Man hada, who is this? So man hada, who is this? So answer is hada tabib, this is a doctor. Man hada, who is this? Hada walad, this is a boy. Now man hada, who is this? Hada talib, this student. Hada walad, is this a boy? La. Hada rajul, this is a man. Okay, so next is ma hada. What is this? Hada masjid. This is a mosque. Man hada. Who is this? Hada tajir. This is a businessman. Hada kalb. This is a dog. Hada kalb. Is this a dog? No, this is not a dog. La hada qit. This is a cat. Qittun means cat. Okay, qittun means cat. Hada himar. Is this no, hada himar, this is a donkey. Hada means this, himar means donkey. Hada himar, is this a donkey? You see, this is not a donkey, this is a horse. So you will deny first. Hada la, hada hisan, no, this is a horse. Wama hada, what is this? Hada jamal, this is a camel. Okay, now ma hada, what is this? Hada dik, this is a hen. Man hada, who is this? Hada mudarris, this is a teacher. Hada qamis, you see this is not a shirt, right? So la hada mindil, no, this is a handkerchief. Okay, iqra waktub, you will read loudly 5 times, please, loudly, and then you will write with their translation. Okay, so this is how you will do this exercise. Okay, so this was the first lesson, and I only you are supposed to do until exercise number 3 of unit number 2, unit number 1. Okay, so this was all about how you will do this exercise. Okay, so thank you.